Previously on the Jennifer Monique.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow.
Alright, hey guys, so it is March 22nd. By this time you don't know that we're getting a dog, but by the time this video come out, you will know we're getting a dog. But I just want to go over a few things that we picked up from him. So the first thing is this right here. Isn't it cute? Don't it look like a dinner table? It is actually his dog bowl and his dog food bowl and his water bowl. I absolutely love this, okay? This is food, it says food set, but I think it's ceramic. We ended up getting it from TJ Maxx. I saw it and just loved it. I did order one from, it was $29.99. I bought one from Target, but I put a picture over here. It wasn't as cute. And so I wanted one to lift off the floor because I read that for some reason they strain their neck if you have the food bowl on the floor. Didn't know that, I don't know. So we decided to get that. I thought it was really cute. I got him this toy here because it was a dog and I thought he would be so cute, and of course makes noise, and this paper, I thought it was cute. I don't know, we may keep it because I ordered him something else too, so we'll see. And his bed, I got it from TJ Maxx. Well, we got it from TJ Maxx. Well, it's huge, but it is so, girl, this is comfy. For his dog food, we end up getting this. My husband liked it because it can collapse. I don't know why he is into stuff that can collapse, but it'll collapse down. So I guess as the food goes down, we can collapse it all the way down. So he likes that about this, so we end up picking that up, and it fits perfectly where we're gonna have this dog food at. It fits perfectly on that shelf. And also we made sure that the big bag of dog food that we're gonna buy fits in here. All of it fits in there because I didn't want to buy dog food and I just have to leave the dog food open. Yeah, but it also has wheels. I don't know why I decided that. Then I got him this slow feeder. I don't know why I got this. I was YouTube or TikTok, somebody inspired me to get this. But it's to help him slow down and eat his food. They say that with golden doodles, they're very hyper dogs, that they don't get tired from playing. So you have to wear their minds out. So giving them stuff like this can tire them out. Just think about when you're in school, when you do a whole bunch of studying, you're tired. Okay, you're tired. We're gonna need him to take a nap. We did pick up these waste dispenser bags because, y'all, if you have a dog and you go for a walk, pick your dog poop up because you're doing too much. Nobody wants to step in dog poop because he will be teething. I ain't got time for him to be chewing all over my furniture. Praying in advance he don't. But we got him this one right here. It is the chewing toy. It got something for gentle, extreme chewing, and a chew treat. So definitely gonna be taking this one with us. And because we're having to drive 5 hours, just sure there were 5 hours to go pick him up, we bought these travel ones. These are collapsible too as well. I told you my husband was into collapsible, but for his food and his water while we're traveling, so we won't have to carry like his actual bowls. We already picked him up a leash. It's gray, the theme here, gray and nude, if you can't tell, gray, black, and nude. Got him some train treats because we want him to behave, okay? We need him to behave. Now, I don't know how he gonna act, but we hope he behave. But also, with golden doodles, you know they have hair, curly fur, I guess you call it. And it has to be brushed. And I've seen so many people who don't brush their dog, their golden doodles, and have to shave them down. So went ahead and brought the kits. I was like, not this puppy having to have it brushed and comb and go buy her some shampoo. Like, bruh, your shampoo and stuff better not cost more than mine. We're gonna have to have a conversation. But pick these up. Received him his collar. It's a bow. Isn't it cute? It is blue. I did order him some more collars from Shein, but currently they are not in yet. I just ordered them last night. And I ordered him, some t-shirts or whatever. Two as well. I don't set them over here for Shein, but I just ordered them last night. And so, this harness, and oh, it came with a leash. I like a retractable leash, but this is his harness. So we're gonna, isn't it cute? Little harness. Hopefully his little booty can fit this. Oh, it's like this. And it comes with the matching leash. So we got him that. So when we pick him up, but I also got the other one's retractable, but this one's cute. Then, yo, I got this. This here. This is supposed to, it comes with heating pads. You put the heating pads in here and it sounds like a heart. So they say when you take a puppy away from his family, what will happen is he may cry because he may miss his family. So this is like a snuggle puppy. So when you put him in his kennel for kennel training or to go to bed so he doesn't feel like by himself, and hopefully he does not whine, we will see how this works. That, I can't get this open, that it is supposed to make them feel like they're not by themselves. So this is why I said I may take this back, but I'm like, he may play with this when he out the kennel. This right here, this package here, he will only have when he is in his kennel. Okay, sir, calm down. Hang it over. But it also comes with a blanket, a toy, and a puppy teething toy. But hold on. Whew. So here it is. Isn't it cute? But yeah, you have to put the heating pad in here so it becomes warm, and then it has, oh, okay, I don't want to remove it. Push button once stay on for 8 hours. Push button 5 seconds to continues in turn. So here it is, the little heart. You put the heart inside here, and so it makes like heartbeats for him, so he'll feel like he has his family with him. So it only came with three heating packs. I didn't read that. 3 heating packs, and they provide warmth for lasts for 24 hours. They only gave us 3. We're gonna have to talk about this. 3. So we're gonna have to buy some more, and of course a little heart teething ring, a toy, and then a snuggle blanket. I seen that they had blue after the fact, so I thought it would make his harness, but oh well. PJ, my husband told me to just stick with the gray. Yo, this thing is soft. I know you're lying. This thing is soft. But here's his little blanket that would be in his kennel. So that's that there. And we do have a kennel for him. And it come with, excuse me, we purchased a kennel cage cover just because at nighttime, I've had dogs before, you want to keep it dark so they can actually sleep. So we end up getting a cage cover to put on top of it because kennels are not really that, you know, that eye pleasing. But we went ahead and purchased one to put over there so that when he sleeps, he can sleep in the dark. Okay, so go to bed, go to bed. So yeah, I just want to update you guys on that. And I believe that's all we picked up that I ordered for him. Besides the Shein stuff that hasn't came in yet. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys real quick what Amazon, what I picked up for him. This is, okay, not for him, so never mind.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot 'cause I'm bulletproof.
Oh, listen, wait me back.
Love it up, baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Drip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, but show me your outside. Know it's been a while, but I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up and tell me, baby. Fucking it up like Lucy Daisy. Ain't no way for him but to me. Don't be wrapped up in that shit like you're lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you're scared. Don't hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot and be patient. This type shit have you wildin'. watch, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out, just move there. I be waiting on you some long. You ready to down low like bombs? Boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone.